looks pretty darn good. Make chocolate chip cookies with me. I use all my leftover chocolate. I was just on a trip in Europe. I was in Munich and Austria, Budapest. On the ship, they give you these little candies every night on your pillow. So I saved them all. There's a lot. Different darks and milk chocolate. They won awards for this chocolate. And I thought that would be great in cookies. And then, last but not least, I was at the Masters this year. We got chocolate as a gift there as well. And look at this cute golf ball. So we're throwing that in. These cookies are really special, really special. So that's our chocolate. And now it's just like a regular, how you make chocolate chip cookies. So I creamed my butter a little bit. It's 1 pound of butter. I throw in 1 pound of light brown sugar or dark brown, depending on what you have. Then I do a couple of scoops of white sugar too. And we're gonna just cream that up. Everybody loves my chocolate cookies, and to be honest with you, they're never the same. They're never the same. Just because I use different chocolate and I don't measure. So that's what's so unique and special about them. Now, I got my eggs. So now, I'm just gonna start adding a little bit of flour. And yes, I'm aerating my flour. Just, it's really not really having anything to do with measuring. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I do a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then at the end I throw in more salt, so you'll see that too. So slowly, because now I have my flour in there. Then I have 4 room temperature eggs. Just gonna throw one in now with a little bit more flour. That's egg goes in. Spoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It's looking good. Here we add a little more flour. I also have some old dough, so I'm just gonna, it's soft now. I'm gonna just throw that in. All right, here goes our chocolate. And then if I don't have enough chocolate, I just throw in some of my favorite. This is cocoa berry, 64%. Look at they're perfect. They're little pellets. I like a lot of chocolate chips. This is great like around Easter time, Christmas. I mean, I go crazy. Now, I like to add a little more salt, almost like 3 more teaspoons. Let's scrape it down a little bit. The reason I do this is because I like to make a large batch of chocolate chip cookies. So this is how I started making this, with like dumping in the 1 pound, the whole box of sugar, a whole pound of butter. I always like to have chocolate chip cookie dough in the freezer because I bring them to a lot of places that I go. Now, how do I know that this is gonna work? I test one. I test one in my oven. So I put one on the sheet. My oven's preheated to 350. In it goes, and I'll come back. We'll check it. Okay, it's out, and it looks pretty darn good. Make your story cookies. I love them. I really do. I enjoy, and they're incredible.